Alhamdulillah, in the name of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, the most gracious, the most merciful, peace and blessings be upon our beloved Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alayhi wasallam. My beloved brothers and sisters, have you ever felt a sudden heaviness in your heart when you are around a specific person? You try to ignore it, you tell yourself that you are just overthinking, you convince yourself that they mean well, but deep down something feels wrong. Your soul feels restless, your peace feels disturbed. My brothers and sisters, we often ignore these subtle feelings. We brush them aside to protect our relationships. We compromise our peace to keep others happy. But what if that feeling is not just paranoia? What if that sudden anxiety is a warning? What if Allah is trying to protect you from someone who will harm you? Allah created your heart with a pure compass. He placed a spiritual sensitivity inside you. When someone brings darkness into your life, your soul reacts. It recoils from their energy. This is a profound mercy from your Creator. Allah loves you more than a mother loves her child. A mother will snatch her child away from a burning fire. She will not wait for the child to understand the danger. She will simply pull them away to safety. In a similar way, Allah removes harmful people from your path. He sends you signs. He creates distance between you and those who carry hidden malice. Sometimes this distance feels painful. You might cry over losing a friend. You might grieve over a broken bond. But Allah sees what you cannot see. He hears the conversations you cannot hear. He knows the intentions hidden deep within their chests. The Quran reminds us of a beautiful and comforting truth. It tells us that perhaps you hate a thing and it is good for you, and perhaps you love a thing and it is bad for you, and Allah knows while you know not. This divine wisdom applies perfectly to the people we hold dear. We might love someone dearly, we might want them in our lives forever, but Allah knows their true impact on our faith and our future. Think about the sudden changes in someone's behavior. Notice how they treat you when you succeed. Do they celebrate your victories or do they belittle your achievements? Pay attention to how they speak about others in front of you. A person who gossips to you will eventually gossip about you. These are not just character flaws, these are red flags. These are loud warnings from the Almighty. He is showing you their reality before they cause you severe pain. We must learn to trust the timing and the signs of Allah. When He exposes someone to you, do not close your eyes. Do not make excuses for toxic behavior. Accepting the truth about someone is difficult. It requires strength and deep reliance on your Creator. Our beloved Prophet Muhammad taught us a very practical lesson about companionship. He guided us to understand the immense influence our friends have on our lives. He said that a person is on the religion of his close friend, so let him carefully examine whom he befriends. This beautiful teaching perfectly captures the essence of divine warnings. Your friends shape your habits. They influence your character. They can either pull you closer to paradise or drag you toward destruction. If Allah is showing you that someone is pulling you away from prayer, that is a warning. If someone makes you feel ungrateful for your blessings, that is a warning. If a person constantly brings drama and conflict into your peaceful life, you must not ignore it. Allah is trying to save your peace. Listen to the silent whispers of your intuition. Watch how your heart feels after spending time with them. If you feel empty and exhausted, take a step back. Pray for the strength to let go of anyone who is not meant for your journey. My beloved brothers and sisters, have you ever noticed how some people drain your energy without even trying? You meet them with a smile, you give them your time and your attention, but you leave their presence feeling completely exhausted. Your mind feels clouded, your heart feels heavy. Why does this happen? My dear friends, spiritual energy is very real. Your soul recognizes things that your eyes cannot see. When you feel this sudden exhaustion, it is often a sign. It is a subtle warning from Allah. He is showing you that this person is taking more than they are giving. They are draining your spiritual reserves. We often try to be polite. We smile through the discomfort. We keep giving our energy to people who only know how to take. But Islam teaches us to protect our peace. A believer is wise and observant. You are not meant to be a stepping stone for someone else's ego. Sometimes Allah exposes a person through their lack of empathy. You will notice they never ask about your well-being. They only call you when they need a favor. They only remember you when it benefits them. When you are going through a hardship, they are suddenly too busy. They disappear when the sky gets dark. Do not ignore this pattern. Do not make excuses for their absence. Allah is actively removing the veil from your eyes. He is showing you their true colors. This is not a punishment, this is divine protection. He wants you to stop investing your heart in the wrong places. He wants you to save your love for those who truly value you. Our beautiful religion teaches us the profound impact of our surroundings. The Prophet Muhammad gave us a timeless and brilliant example. He explained that a good companion and a bad companion are like a perfume seller and a blacksmith. If you sit with the perfume seller, you might buy some fragrance, or at the very least, you will enjoy a beautiful scent. But if you sit with the blacksmith, he might burn your clothes, or you will certainly leave with a foul smell. This is the exact reality of the people we keep close. Some people bring the beautiful scent of peace, faith, and joy into your life. Others bring the foul smoke of drama, backbiting, and negativity. If Allah is showing you the smoke, do not wait for your clothes to catch fire. Move away gracefully. You might wonder how to step back without causing a huge conflict. Islam is a religion of beautiful manners. You do not need to create drama. You do not need to announce your departure. You simply create boundaries. You protect your heart by lowering your expectations. You limit the time you spend in their company. You are commanded to be kind, but you are not commanded to be naive. The Quran provides us with a clear and powerful instruction regarding our company. Allah tells us, "O you who have believed, fear Allah and be with those who are true." Truthfulness here is not just about speaking the truth. It is about true intentions. It is about true hearts. It is about people who are genuine in their love and care for you. When you choose to walk away from toxicity, you are making a choice to honor yourself. You are trusting Allah to replace what you have lost. You might feel lonely for a short time. The silence might feel strange at first, but this silence is much better than the noise of fake friendships. In this quiet space, your heart will heal. You will reconnect with your Creator. You will find comfort in your prayers. You will realize that losing a toxic person is not a loss at all. It is a massive gain. You have gained your peace of mind. You have protected your faith. Listen to the warnings. Trust the feeling in your chest. Let go of the heavy burdens you were never meant to carry. My beloved brothers and sisters, sometimes the warning comes in the form of sudden betrayal. You trust someone with all your heart. You share your deepest secrets with them. You expect them to stand by your side forever. Then they do something that completely shatters your trust. The pain of this betrayal is incredibly deep. You ask yourself why this had to happen to you. You wonder what you did to deserve such heartbreak. My brothers and sisters, do not look at this as a punishment. Look at this as a powerful rescue mission from Allah. He allowed their mask to fall off. He allowed you to see their reality before you invested any more of your life into them. A broken heart is painful, but a life spent with a deceptive person is a tragedy. Allah saved you from that tragedy. He broke your attachment to them so you could attach your heart only to Him. We often make the mistake of relying entirely on human beings. We expect perfection from people who are inherently flawed. When they inevitably disappoint us, we feel utterly destroyed. This is a gentle reminder from the Almighty that humans will fail you. They will change their minds. They will shift their loyalties. But Allah will never fail you. He is the constant in your life. He is the only one who will never break a promise to you. When you feel that sudden disconnect from someone you once loved, pay attention. Do not force a connection that Allah is naturally breaking. There is a profound reason why some relationships simply stop making sense. The Prophet Muhammad explained this beautifully when he taught us about human souls. He said that souls are like conscripted soldiers. Those whom they recognize, they get along with, and those whom they do not recognize, they will not get along with. This hadith perfectly explains why your heart suddenly rejects someone. Your soul recognizes a change in their spiritual state. It senses a darkness or a negative shift that your eyes cannot see. When your soul stops recognizing them, the connection dies. This is not your fault. This is the natural spiritual defense mechanism that Allah placed inside you. Do not fight it. Do not try to resurrect a bond that Allah has chosen to end. Trust His divine wisdom. Trust that He is making space in your life for better companions. The end of a friendship is not the end of the world. It is simply a redirection toward a safer path. Moving forward after a disappointment requires immense patience. It requires you to tame your ego and forgive the situation. You do not have to let the person back into your life, but you must free your own heart from anger. Holding on to anger only poisons your own soul. The Quran provides a stunning perspective on the difficulties we face with other people. Allah tells us clearly that He has made some of you as a trial for others to see if you will have patience, and your Lord is ever seeing. This verse changes our entire worldview. The difficult people in your life are a test. Their harshness is a test. Their betrayal is a test. You must choose whether to react with bitterness or patience. You must decide if you will let their bad character ruin your good character. The Almighty is watching how you respond. When you choose patience, you elevate your rank in the sight of Allah. You prove that your peace comes from Him, not from the people around you. Let go of the people who repeatedly hurt you. Smile, walk away, and leave their affairs to Allah. Protect your beautiful heart for those who truly deserve it. Focus on building a closer relationship with the one who truly matters. My beloved brothers and sisters, sometimes a warning is extremely quiet. It does not come with loud arguments. It does not come with obvious betrayals. It comes through a slow and silent shift in your heart. You might find yourself slowly drifting away from your prayers when you are with a certain person. You might notice that your speech becomes harsh when you spend time in their company. You begin to complain more and praise Allah less. This is one of the most dangerous signs of all. We often measure toxic people by how they treat us. We look at their manners towards our friends and family. But we forget to measure them by how they affect our connection with the Almighty. A person might treat you with kindness, but if they pull you away from your Creator, they are a danger to your soul. They are a test that you must handle with immense wisdom. Your faith is the most valuable treasure you possess. It is more precious than any friendship or worldly bond. When Allah sees your faith weakening because of someone, He will send you subtle warnings. He will make your heart feel heavy after you miss a prayer. He will place a sense of guilt inside you when you engage in idle talk with them. These feelings of guilt are beautiful mercies from your Lord. They are gentle pulls bringing you back to the right path. Our beautiful faith places great importance on the spiritual influence of our companions. Prophet Muhammad warned us about the company we keep with a profound statement. He said, do not keep company with anyone except a believer, and do not let anyone eat your food except a pious person. This is not about being arrogant or rejecting others. It is about guarding your spiritual environment. When you share your time and your meals with someone, you are sharing your energy. You are allowing their mindset to enter your life. If their mindset is disconnected from Allah, that disconnection will slowly seep into your own heart. You will start to adopt their casual attitude towards sin. You will begin to value worldly success over eternal peace. This is exactly what the Almighty wants to protect you from. He is warning you before your heart becomes completely hardened. He is showing you the reality of their influence before it is too late. We must be brave enough to accept these signs. We must stop making excuses for people who damage our spiritual well-being. We must reflect on the ultimate consequences of our friendships. The Quran paints a very vivid and frightening picture of regret on the Day of Judgment. Allah tells us about a person who will bite their hands in deep sorrow and say, oh, I wish I had not taken that one as a friend. Imagine the depth of that pain. Imagine standing on the Day of Judgment and realizing that a friend dragged you away from paradise. The regret will be unbearable. This powerful verse is a wake-up call for all of us today. It is a direct warning to evaluate the people we love. Ask yourself if your friends remind you of Allah. Ask yourself if they encourage you to do good deeds. If the answer is no, you must take a step back. You do not need to be cruel to them. You simply need to prioritize your soul. Surround yourself with people who make you a better Muslim. Choose friends who will pray for you when you are not there. Listen to the warnings Allah is sending you today, so you do not have to feel that immense regret tomorrow. My beloved brothers and sisters, have you ever felt a deep sense of relief after finally walking away from someone who constantly brought you down? You feel like a heavy anchor has been lifted from your chest. The air suddenly feels fresher. Your prayers feel sweeter. Your heart feels lighter and more peaceful. My dear brothers and sisters, this is the ultimate proof that leaving toxicity was the right choice. When you heed the warnings of Allah, He replaces what you lost with something infinitely better. You do not have to fear loneliness. You do not have to worry about missing out. When you empty your life of harmful companions, you make space for pure blessings. Allah is the turner of hearts. He can turn a life of confusion into a life of complete clarity. Trust His wisdom. Trust the signs He placed in your path. You were created for a noble purpose. Do not let anyone distract you from your ultimate destination. Your heart was made to know Allah, to love Him and to worship Him in peace. Protect that sacred heart at all costs. Our beloved Prophet Muhammad gave us a timeless promise that fills our hearts with immense hope. He taught us a golden rule about sacrifice for the sake of the Almighty. He said that you will never leave anything for the sake of Allah the Mighty and Majestic, except that Allah will replace it with something better for you. This is the ultimate comfort for every broken heart. When you walk away from a toxic friendship for the sake of your faith, Allah notices. When you cut ties with someone who harms your spiritual peace, Allah rewards you. He does not leave you empty-handed. He brings righteous people into your life. He surrounds you with souls that uplift you, remind you of goodness, and walk with you toward paradise. Do not look back with regret. Look forward with absolute trust in your Creator. He is guiding your steps. He is protecting you from unseen dangers. He is preparing you for a future filled with genuine peace and divine love. The journey of faith requires courage. It requires the strength to listen to your soul and the wisdom to act upon the signs of Allah. The Quran reminds us of the incredible reward waiting for those who remain steadfast. Allah tells us that those who have believed and whose hearts find rest in the remembrance of Allah, verily in the remembrance of Allah do hearts find rest. This is your final sanctuary. When people let you down, remember that Allah is always there. When friends walk away, remember that your Lord is closer to you than your jugular vein. Turn to Him in your moments of quiet reflection. Ask Him to heal your heart and purify your circle. Ask Him to protect you from anyone who wishes you harm, whether openly or in secret. Walk forward with confidence, knowing that the Almighty is guarding your steps. May Allah bless you with righteous companions, unbreakable peace, and a heart that beats purely for His pleasure. Before you leave, I want to ask you something from my heart. If even one sentence in this reminder made your heart closer to Allah, do not just scroll away. Like this video, subscribe to this channel, and most importantly, send it to someone you love who is going through a difficult time. That small act of sharing could become your sadaqah jariyah, a charity that keeps rewarding you long after you are gone. Comment below and let me know, where are you listening from? I want to make dua for every single one of you tonight. May Allah protect all you from all evil eyes. Ameen. Ya Rabbal Alameen.